Okay guys, this is how to create a US bank account and the UK bank account through Payoneer website. Okay, so to create this uh, bank account, you need your driver's license or international passport or national ID card. Okay, to create this, then your bank statement as well with your phone number. Okay, so please make sure that you subscribe. Okay, make sure that you subscribe, and to get into the website, I will put the link on the description of this video, down under this video. Click that link there, it will take you to the same page where I will start the tutorial. Okay, so please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Okay, so click on the link under this video on the description. There is a link there, is an invitation link to this website. Okay, when you click that link, you are going to get $25 after verifying your account. Okay, so here it is, sign up and earn $25. So once you sign up, verified your account, you will get $25. Okay, so let's move on. You click on sign up. Okay. Now here is options that are giving you: freelancer, online seller, okay, affiliate marketing, individual, the type of account you want to create. Okay, either are you an freelancer or an online seller, just like a drop shipping, okay, or affiliate marketing, or an individual account. Okay, mine is online seller because I'm into Spotify. Okay, I'm into Shopify. Sorry, I do drop shipping. Okay, so let's select the one that I use to open my own bank account. Okay, so I click on online seller. Okay, now you click get by e-commerce. Okay, you click registered. So now leave this one here, individual. Okay, now you are going to fill this form: first name, last name, email. Let's type your email, date of birth. Then this number here, this code here, you are going to let type this code here. Let type the code here. Okay, then you click next. But before you do that, make sure that all the information that you provide here is the information on your ID. Any ID that you want to use to verify this Payoneer account. Okay, you can use driver's license, national ID card, international passport, okay, or voter's card, maybe, I think so. Okay, so after that they will take you to another page where you will add your phone number, where you will add for verification your bank statement. Okay, to verify this website. Okay, then after you finish doing that, they will bring you to a page like this. Okay, this is my home page. Okay, as you can see, this is my US account, this is my LO account, this is my pounds account. Okay, now get paid, request payment, receive account. Okay, let's click on receive account. Now here is my US account, the account that you will use to receive money. Okay, when you click US, here is your US bank account information. Okay, bank name, routing number, account type, a bank address, everything. Okay, both UK as well. If I click, here is the information. Okay, you can give anybody that wants to pay you this information. That person will use it to pay you. You will receive that money here, just like the way I have money here. Okay, I've used this account to receive a lot of money. Okay, and when you want to withdraw, you just click on the withdraw. But before you withdraw, you have to add your local bank account on your Payoneer account for withdraw. And to do that, you can add Nigerian bank, local bank account, or Ghana or Kenya. Okay, any country you are coming from Africa, you can add your bank information here to withdraw the money from Payoneer. Okay, so pay. Okay, if you want to pay somebody, pay to recipient on Payoneer. If you want to pay somebody that have Payoneer account, you click this person, you send the money from Payoneer to Payoneer. This one doesn't have any charges. Okay, pay to recipient bank account. If you want to pay the person to his bank account, okay, if you want to pay the person to his bank account, means that you can transfer money from here to someone's bank account straight. Okay, so this website is fully bank app. Okay, because it's supported by US bank. They note about it. It's best, one of the best online banking app. Okay, so withdraw or transfer. To make withdraw to bank, to your local bank account or manage currencies. Okay, here we have been here. Let me click transaction, payment request sent, account statement, or the way you will get the information of your transaction and everything. Now here is bank or cards. Okay, bank account for withdraw, receiver account, Payoneer cards, recipient bank account. Okay, now here is if you want a ATM card, not a visual card, ATM physical card that you can use you can use it on any ATM to withdraw money. You can use it to any empty ATM card, ATM machine to withdraw money. Okay, you can use it here. Okay, so you can come here and apply for it. They are going to withdraw the fee money. They are going to withdraw the money from Payoneer. Then they will send the ATM card on your location, on your house address. You will receive the copy of the card straight. Okay, so that's it, guys. And I will advise you, if you want to invite any of your friends, use your reference. Here is where you will get your reference code. Okay, use your reference link so that you will get $25 as well. Okay, so guys, go and create your own bank app. Okay, thank you, and please remember to subscribe, please.